Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage L, the reader, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The lady read the book in the cafe. Nothing interrupted her, not the cacophony of the coffee machine, the conversation of other customers, not even the clearing of cups and plates from around her. She turned the pages of the book confidently. The story was exciting. Once she came to the end of the chapter, she stopped, folded the top page into a small triangle, and packed the book into her satchel. That was enough for today. Tomorrow she would read another. Questions. What is the lady doing in the cafe? Was the lady focused on the book? How do you know that? Why did the lady stop reading? What two actions did the lady do after finishing the chapter? What would she do the next day? Now let's check the answers. What is the lady doing in the cafe? The lady is reading a book. It says so in the first sentence. Was the lady focused on the book, and how do you know that? Yes, the lady was focused on the book she was reading. The text states that nothing interrupted her here. It also says that she turned the pages of the book confidently, another clue. Why did the lady stop reading? Because the lady had reached the end of the chapter. It says so here. What two actions did the lady do after finishing the chapter? The lady folded the top of the page into a small triangle. It says so here. And then packed the book into her satchel. What would she do the next day? The next day, the lady would read another chapter of the book. It says so in the final sentence. Thank you for your time. How did you go?